welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset the surface indicator and the inspection indicator of a Volkswagen Crafter. This one comes from 2023, and in this short video I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at the channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Some tips and tricks. Use the comment area if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start by turning the ignition on, and you'll see that the indicator pops up. First step is turn back the ignition. Press the set button over here. Keep it pressed while you turn the ignition on to the second position. You'll see, release this button over here, press it again. The inspection indicator, also turn the ignition off, press this button over here, turn the ignition back onto the second position, press it, keep it pressed till reset inspection comes up, release and press it again. You'll see when we turn the ignition back on, the indicator for the surface doesn't show up anymore. This one was a 2023 Volkswagen Crafter. I hope this helped you. Thank you very much for watching our videos. Hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.